There. Wow.
No.
Wow, she's really... The quiet one is speaking. You don't want Lola to bark.
Yes, is it a baby? Oh, no.
I see you down there, and you're right there. I see you hiding. There you are. I see you too. Oh, there you are. He wants up there too.
Come here. Yes, hey. You want cuddles?
She's like, whoa.
Lilu, Frodo. He hasn't even noticed.
I don't think he even sees her yet. Yep.
Lola, oh, are they cute babies?
Oh, here we. Oh, hey. She got a little snippy. Watch out.
Alright, sorry. Cuddle. Lola's such a good girl, so I'm a good girl. Are you a good girl? Cuddles. Cuddles the puppies. Yeah, cuddles. No.
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 Step aside.
Yeah, it's okay. This is Lola. Oh, Lola. Who's so kind?
That's so funny. The only one that was barking was Lilu. Oh, there she goes again. Frodo's kind of intrigued. Lilu.
What? Yeah, get it. Get it. What? What? What you doing?
Was that him?
Yeah, that's him. He's got a rescue one.
Oh, you. I'm over here. It's okay. Don't be afraid of Lola. Lola likes to cuddle.
Yeah, it's Lola likes cuddles.
Cuddles. See, cuddles.
Show him how pretty you are. Who's so pretty? Who's so pretty? Who's the prettiest? Yes, who's so big? Pretty girl, Lola. Aw, good girl. Yeah, she's doing good.
You have my word. She's perfectly safe. Men are to fight, to die. They may need more than that. Deep down, my word. It is not that sire. It's just she's a symbol from which the men derive courage. Symbols most effective when seen. My lord.
No, you don't eat the feathers. That's what you smell like. No.
Lola told him no too. She's already going no.
Oh, give me kisses. Give the babies kisses. Give them kisses.
I give you victory.
Aww.
Your enemies will reveal themselves to you.
Aww.
Aww.
No. Take it easy. I thought, I'm sorry.
What's in the cart?
She's my baby girl.
It is a bit of a surprise. A gift for tonight's festivities.
Lola's cool. It's the puppies. They don't know what to think of Lola. Like, what is that? Especially Lulu.
Be nice. Take it easy. Aww. Take it easy. Kisses. Good kisses. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Who's he eating? He's eating. He's looking on the feather.
Yes. Don't eat the feathers.
Oh.
Oh. Baby. What? You gonna get the big birdie? What? You gonna get the big birdie, Lulu?
She'll know what to think.
I go to my chambers. We have things to discuss.
Lola's like, whatever. I'm over it. Alrighty, guys. Love you.